China just made 2K AI video 3 times cheaper. What if your videos could look like a real film studio made them? And what if that just got way cheaper overnight? A new model from China quietly changed the whole game. Most creators haven't even clocked it yet. I've been testing it nonstop for days, and honestly, the jump kind of shocked me. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and I help people learn and actually use AI tools in their real work. Today, I'm breaking down a brand new AI video model called Minimax H3. But here's the twist. I'm running it inside my Agent OS, and that combo is where the real magic happens. Stick with me, because near the end, I'll show you the one prompt setup that builds a full video for me from scratch. Let's get into it. So the first thing I did with Minimax H3 was build a batch of short cinematic clips to bring the right people into the AI Profit boardroom. I gave it a few simple prompts about what we actually teach. It handed me back these clean, sharp clips with the sound already baked in. Then my Agent OS took those clips and edited them into finished promo videos for the AI Profit boardroom. That kind of content is exactly what pulls the right learners toward the AI Profit boardroom, and it took me minutes, not a whole day. Now let me back up and explain what Minimax H3 actually is, because this part matters. Most old AI video tools only understood two things: your words and maybe one picture. Minimax H3 is different. It reads text, images, video, and audio all in one place at the same time. Minimax calls this an omnimodal model. In plain English, that means you can hand it a picture for the look, a clip for the movement, and an audio file for the voice, all in one go. Then it blends them into one finished video. You can even feed it up to 9 images, 3 video clips, and 3 audio clips inside a single prompt. And here's the big one. It makes the sound itself. Voices, background noise, little effects, all generated in the same pass as the picture. No adding music later, no silent clips you have to fix. It comes out finished with sound already inside it. The clips run up to 15 seconds in sharp 2K at 24 frames a second, and you can edit them just by typing. Want to change the scene, swap an object, or tweak the pacing? You just describe it in words. No starting over from scratch every single time. Now let me show you why this feels like such a jump. The old model was called Hailuo 2.3. It topped out at 1080p, and it was completely silent. Fine for quick drafts, but you had to add sound yourself every time. Minimax H3 lands at 2K with native sound built right in. Same prompt, and the new one just looks and sounds way more like a real film. Sharper detail, better movement, better physics, and a soundtrack that's already there. Put them side by side, and it's honestly not close. And this isn't just my opinion. The team over at Artificial Analysis, who rank all these models, put Minimax H3 at #1 in the world for AI video editing. They also put it in the top 3 for turning text into video, and top 3 for turning images into video. So that editing part especially is best in class right now. And that's a huge reason I plugged it into my Agent OS in the first place. Clean editing is exactly where most tools fall apart, and this one leads the pack. Now, if you're watching this thinking, I want that exact setup, the Agent OS with Minimax H3 running inside it, that's exactly what I share inside the AI Profit boardroom. When you join, you get the full Agent OS zip file ready to install, so you're not building the whole thing from scratch. We've also built out a complete 30-day roadmap to go with it, so you know what to do on day 1, day 2, all the way through. Inside the AI Profit boardroom, there are walkthroughs showing how I wire Minimax H3 into the video agent, live coaching calls 4 times a week where you can ask about your own setup, and the exact prompts I use to get clean results. If learning this tool properly is the goal, the AI Profit boardroom was built for exactly this. Links in the comments and description. Okay, let me show you the part I promised. The one prompt workflow. Inside my Agent OS, there's a video agent. I just tell it what my video is about. I pick whether I want an AI avatar presenting or just a voiceover on top. I choose Minimax H3 to create the B-roll. Then I hit one button, and it writes the script, generates the B-roll with Minimax H3, adds the voice, drops in the avatar, and edits the whole thing together for me. One prompt in, a finished video out the other side. It's basically a full video team sitting there ready whenever I need it. So how do you actually get your hands on Minimax H3? Right now, there are 2 easy ways. You can grab it through the Minimax API over on their platform, or you can use it inside the Hailuo AI app. Both of those work today. And here's the part that makes this such an interesting move. Minimax says they plan to release this as an open weights model under something they call the Minimax Community License. In simple terms, that means smaller teams will be able to use it freely with a bit of credit given back. Now, heads up, be accurate here. Those weights are not out just yet. It's a promise for the coming days, not a download you can grab this second. But when it does land, Minimax H3 would become the strongest open model for video out there, well ahead of the old open leader, which was LTX-2.3. That's a big step, and it's yet another one of these strong open models coming out of China lately. And this is where the price story comes in, the reason for the title. Minimax says making 2K video with H3 costs less than a third of what the big Western models charge. Less than a third. So you're getting sharper video with sound already inside it for a fraction of what you used to pay for weaker, silent clips. That's the real headline here. High-end AI video just got a whole lot more affordable and a whole lot more open at the same time. So let me bring that one prompt workflow back for a second and show you a real way I use it. I ran that exact setup to build a full AI avatar video walking through what new members get when they join the AI Profit Boardroom. I typed in the topic, my agent OS wrote the script, Minimax H3 made all the B-roll, and it stitched together a clean avatar video for the AI Profit Boardroom, all from that one prompt. That means I can keep making fresh content for the AI Profit Boardroom without burning a whole day inside an editor every single time. So does the agent OS part actually matter, or is the model enough on its own? Honestly, the model is brilliant, but on its own, it just spits out clips. My agent OS is what turns those raw clips into finished videos without me ever touching an editor. The model makes the pieces. The agent OS assembles them and edits them together. That's the whole difference between a pile of raw footage and a video that's actually ready to go. So who really needs this? If you're someone who wants to make content but hates the editing grind, this is for you. If you want to show up on camera without filming yourself every time, the avatar setup handles that. And if you just want to test ideas fast, one prompt gets you a full clip to look at in minutes. You don't need a big team, you don't need fancy gear, you just need the tool and a system around it to pull it all together. There's one more group I'd add to that list, anyone who needs the same look across a whole set of clips. Because H3 can hold a character or a style steady using those reference inputs, you can keep the same face, the same vibe, shot after shot. That's huge if you're building a series instead of one-off clips. And since each attempt costs so little now, you can try 5 different versions of an idea, pick the best one, and toss the rest without it hurting. That freedom to test is honestly where a lot of the real value hides. Let me leave you with a few quick tips before we wrap. First, keep your prompts clear and simple. Tell it the scene, the mood, and the sound you want, since H3 makes the audio too. Second, use those reference inputs. Feed it an image for the look and a clip for the movement, and you'll get way more control over what comes out. Third, lean on the editing. Since H3 is #1 in the world for editing, fix small things by just typing the change instead of starting the whole clip over. And fourth, run it inside a system like my agent OS, so you're not stitching clips together by hand every single time. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 85,000 members who are crushing it with AI. And if you're about to go try Minimax H3 for yourself, here's my honest heads up. The model is powerful, but you'll hit questions fast. How to prompt it, how to wire it into a real workflow, how to get clean edits without wasting attempt after attempt. That's exactly what we sort out together inside the AI Profit Boardroom. You get the coaching calls where I answer your setup questions live, the tutorials that walk you through Minimax H3 step by step, the full Agent OS zip file with its 30-day roadmap, and the prompts I actually use myself. With over 4,000 members learning this stuff side by side, you won't be stuck figuring it all out alone. Come join us at AIProfitBoardroom.com.